I hope you are having a great day. In this lesson, you will learn how to remove crackling or click noise in your video. Now, before I move on, I'm going to play back this video clip to show you what crackling or click noise sounds like in the video. So here we go. Now, if this has ever happened to you before, you probably will be searching for answers how to fix this problem. And before you go ahead and reshoot your video, there is actually a solution to fix this by using the automatic clip remover in the audio effects. So let's get right into it. Step number 1, mouse over to your effects panel and type in automatic clip remover. Step 2, drag this to your audio file in your timeline. And let's take a look at your source monitor. Now you can see that the automatic clip remover has been added into the effects panel. And the next step is to click the edit button. Now you can see the preset is set to default. And from here you can change to heavy, light or medium reduction. Now depending on how bad the crackling or click noise is in your video, you can test out these 4 different presets and see which works best for your video. Now right below there's also threshold and complexity. You can leave this as the default, or you can also play around with the settings to test out different outcomes. So basically, once you have applied this automatic clip remover effects into your video, the crackling or click noise should be reduced significantly, if not totally. Now however, this doesn't guarantee that it will work for every video. But this is a great way to try and see if you can fix the problem. And if it helps, you don't have to reshoot your videos, which is going to be very painful for you. So I hope you find this lesson helpful. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye guys.